time my heart cries out with longing to see all these things. If I can get so much pleasure from mere touch, how much more beauty must be revealed by sight? There are millions of people who want to see the beauty and colors of this world for at least once in their lives. Of all the senses, sight must be the most delightful. More than 1 billion in the world are unnecessarily blind because they don't have access to eye care. 80 to 90% of the blindness worldwide can be cured or avoided. Cataract, refractive error, glaucoma, diabetic retinopathy are the leading causes of blindness worldwide. Cataract. It is the clouding of your normal clear lens of the eye. It is a natural aging process, usually starts after 50 years of age. It will grow and take your vision slowly. What is it like to see the world through cataractous eyes? Blurred vision is an everyday struggle. Everything is cast with a yellow or brown filter as the lens becomes cloudy or opaque. Nights are challenging as it is difficult to see well or drive with reduced lighting. Life isn't as colorful as bright colors appear faded. Cataract can be surgically removed to bring the colors back into your life. Refractive errors. It is the most common cause of vision impairment and second leading cause of blindness in the world. It can lead to poor school performance in children, severe economic and social losses in adults. It refrains from productive working lives. A patient with refractive error can complain of blurred vision, frequent headaches, poor distant vision, eye strain or fatigue, and compromised reading or computer work. A simple spectacle correction can give you a clear vision. Diabetic retinopathy. Diabetes can harm your eyesight. It will damage the blood vessels of your retina. India has about 70 million diabetic patients. 1 out of the 5 diabetic patients are affected with diabetic retinopathy. Early detection and treatment can reduce the blindness from diabetic retinopathy by 90%. So, be proactive and go for eye screening. Why screening is important in diabetic retinopathy? Because there are no early symptoms. The longer you leave it undetected, the worse it could get. So control HbA1c, blood pressure, cholesterol, and go for yearly dilated eye examination. Glaucoma. Like our blood pressure, we have normal pressure in our eyes too. When it increases more than normal, it can damage your vision if left untreated. How glaucoma affects our vision in various stages. Everyone is at risk. Older people are at higher risk, but babies can be born with glaucoma as well. Glaucoma has no cure, so prevention is the key. Who are at risk? Individuals above 60 years of age, individuals of African and Asian ethnicity, individuals having a family history of glaucoma, individuals who have frequent change in power of glasses, individuals with thin cornea, individuals who are on prolonged steroid eye drops, and individuals with high blood pressure and cardiac problems. Diagnosis is the first step towards preserving vision. So go for regular eye examination for early detection and stay on prescribed medication to prevent progression. It's our decision to make our world brighter or darker. So get your eyes checked today. Hope in sight.